Ngayon guys, tuturuan ko yung assistant ko kung paano ikabit ito. Ito siyang contactor, tapos dito sa push button na stop start. Tapos ang diagram ng kanyang sundan ito. Ito yung diagram na sundan niya guys. Ito. So ipapakita ko sa kanya kung paano niya. Tinuturuan ko siya kung paano to ikabit. Mayroon kasing numbering yan. Alam na niya to pero dapat lang i-refresh. Okay. Start now. Turuan natin tong assistant natin para pagdating ng panahon matuto ito. Sana maalala ako nito kung matuto na. Dahil kung hindi matuto to wala. Alam niya kung paano magkabit try natin kung ano ba talaga to, matuto ba talaga siya. This one you can see another cable. This two is another cable. Okay, number 2 another cable going to number 3 or number 44. Possible also there you put possible also 44 going A1, 43 going A1, the same. Ngayon guys, i-check natin yung gawa niya no. Ito kasi yung diagram natin. Kung makikita natin guys, yan yung sinitdan niya. So nung tiningnan ko, okay naman yung gawa niya. Mayroon namang maintaining contact, mayroong jumper sa push button, tapos mayroon papunta sa A1. So okay naman siya guys, walang problema. Okay, you try now. Try to push. No, this one, if you press, but then release, no problem. Release, the same. Because that one, there is the contact. Off. Again. Off. Okay. You put the power. Where did you put the motor?
This main supply is coming.
And then
after side going.
This one put the motor.
Breaker on. After side supply is going.
Okay. Here is the power you put.
Yeah.
Here is put the load. Okay. You try now. You put. After that we can check. Supply for 220 volts, okay? This one is for the 220 volt supply. This one for 3 phase 380 volts. Put that in your mind, okay? Okay now. You put the power now. Put the power. You off press that one. You off press the breaker. Okay. Before you put, take care because that one is danger, have current. Yun. Okay. Wait. On. You can off first. You on again. Ayun. Must be like that. Remove your hands. This one is have maintaining contact. You do this one for have maintaining contact. You off again. Okay, you on. No problem about that because this contactor have the problem also. Like that aslam Okay, you off. Again. You off again because there is the sound. You can on. Okay, now you off.